1990 Ford F-150 regular cab XLT Lariat here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated on it. 5-liter underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Technician did note AC and heater in op. Let's take a look at the front grille, headlights, bumper. Black exterior, has a nice shine to it. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see those at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. We have some Harley-Davidson insignias on this one, including the center caps. Toyo radial tires. A little vinyl on that front fender also, and you can see reflection in that paint. So paint does have a nice shine to it. It's black. You're going to find some imperfections here or there. Car has been driven. It's showing a little over 87,000 miles on it at the moment. There's no recordings above that on the Carfax, so it may very easily be original miles. I can't confirm or deny that just due to the fact once the vehicle's a certain age, the miles are not recorded on the title anymore. They're marked in op. We have a couple scuffs back here on the side of the bed. But again, majority of the paint, nice shine to it. Does have complete exhaust from the front to rear. Sliding rear glass, spray-in bed liner. And once again, all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, if you think it looks like the truck has been lowered, it has been lowered. Get a good look at the chrome and the rear bumper, tailgate, nice shape. A few notes from the technician on this one. Does have a new starter, new rear wheel cylinders, all new tires. Brakes are 80% in the front, 90% in the rear. And the last thing, typical powertrain, weeps, common, vehicle is driven. This is one of those cars, get in, turn the key, go have some fun. Looking for a pickup that won't break the bank, here you go. Now, if you like Ford trucks, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you can see paint on the driver's side, also nice shine to it. Again, there's a few spots here or there where there may be a little scuff, a little wear. Interior, kind of a tan and green combination. Bench seat. We will start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood, stick around to the end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive. There's what the odometer reads, 87,168. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Again, 5-liter underneath the hood. Paired up with an automatic transmission, top of the dash. I've had the radio power up. I've not had the little LED screen light up. And I noticed it did have like a rear anti-lock light on. Doesn't affect how it drives out. Jason, like I said, is going to take it for a drive. Tachometer working. That fuel gauge came up, and it does have a dual tank set up on it with the switch right there. Oil pressure, battery, and that was a cold start, so I expect the temp gauge to be up. Let's take a listen back here. Actually, the exhaust would be exiting the passenger side. Let me slip up to the front. Let's pop this hood. I'm going to pause it a second. Like I said, pop this hood open. Take a look underneath there. A few imperfections on the hood. But overall, you can see reflection in that paint. It's a shiny one. Underside of the hood. And engine bay. Set 302. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC, and it appears the compressor and all the components are there. It's actually even been converted from the R12 to the 134A. Looking for an inexpensive truck, a lot of life in it? Here you go. 1990 Ford F-150 regular cab XLT Lariat. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where all those stow picks are. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1990 Ford F-150. This truck a little bit lowered for a little better stance, and you can tell in the corners it actually handles better. This is an automatic on the column, so it's easy to drive. Turn signal indicator's working. I do see a light on the dash for rear anti-lock. But honestly, rear anti-lock? In 1990 they had rear anti-lock? That's impressive, actually. I don't think I'll miss it. Tachometer's working, speedometer also working. The oil pressure right in the middle of the gauge. Fuel gauge showing 3/4 of a tank. The temperature is approaching 1/4 of the way up from cold, and the battery's charging over halfway on the gauge. Easy to drive truck. Nice handy overhead storage. This little shelf right here. Quick grab for sunglasses or whatever you might want to put up there. Never seen that before. Looks custom made. Very nice. Matches the color of the interior. Headliner also looks very nice. Comfortable. Cloth bench seat in this truck. We have fold down armrest in the middle between the seats. Or you can comfortably fit 3 people on the seat. Oh boy. Alright, we're braking for a school bus and a trailer. The brakes are nice and smooth in this vehicle. The blower motor works to move air. As I was saying, also easy to steer. Definitely improved cornering from the lowering. And the kickdown works on the automatic transmission. Cruise control. Cruise control is not functioning. It tries to, but doesn't hold. At least during my testing. Find all the pictures of this Ford F-150 XLT Lariat that is lowered to perfection at UniqueClassicCars.com.